Welcome, today I'll show you how to hide photos in your gallery into your Redmi Note 12 Pro. First of all, open your gallery standard application on this phone and then press and hold to select some photos, for example these 4. Okay, and now tap here add to album button, and here we got our private album, so tap it. And now we got message to view the items you made private, swipe down in albums. Okay. Now we got next message, all private items are synced with the cloud when the feature is on. You can change your preference in settings, manage system. Okay, tap OK for activate our privacy folder. Now enter privacy password, something like that, and confirm it. Tap next. Now we need tap add to sync into our Xiaomi account. I'm syncing with my Google account, so I'm choose Google. If you wanna, for example, another method of syncing, enter a mail or phone number, or maybe with Facebook. Okay, I'm select Google. Now tap continue. Okay, and now tap back. And we hide our photos, so activate our privacy folder first one, and then we hide our photos. Now go to an album, then press and hold and drag to top to bottom, and here we got message release to open private folder. Release, tap OK, enter our privacy password, cancel and cancel, and here we got all our 4 photos. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.